Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and this is our first Treatment Tuesday that is in Alcoa, Tennessee, as I'm now a member of the Alcoa Chiropractic Center. So I'm looking forward to continuing our Treatment Tuesday here. So tell us, what's going on with you?
I do some weightlifting, and I've noticed I have a lot of tightness in mid-back.
How long has that been going on?
About 2 years.
2 years?
Yep.
How did it start?
Overhead presses in the gym.
Okay, lifting weights overhead. Okay,
Yes.
Understood. And was it like a real bad injury, or was it just kind of overuse over time?
Overuse, yep.
Okay. Okay, so I've treated Jen a number of times before in the past. We have done the full range of motion orthopedic x-ray examination. So I'm going to jump right into the treatment part so you guys can see that. So the majority of the pain is it right? Oh, it's this guy. Mm-hmm. So is it right in front here? Where, can you point to it?
Yeah, in the front.
And when
And then also like towards the back of the scapula.
Okay.
Yep.
When I touch there, is that tender?
A little, yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to palpate a little bit just to see what kind of muscular tension you have going on in your neck. Overall, it's limiting your workout, and
Yes.
it's annoying you at work.
Yes.
And this is a nagging thing you've had for the last 2 years.
Correct.
How does it make you feel?
It is frustrating, the fact that I constantly have to worry about, limiting things on the shoulder and wanting to progress, and I can't.
Tell me about your experience with chiropractic.
Just a little. Probably within the last 6 months, I've been adjusted a few times.
Right,
so,
right.
Yeah.
Because Jen is a massage therapist here at Alcoa Family Chiropractic. So you've had a chance to get treated by chiropractors a number of
Yes.
times. And then how has that impacted the shoulder issue?
So far, it's been great.
Yeah?
Yep.
So you're noticing improvement?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to do a neck adjustment right to that area. Are you comfortable with that?
Yes.
All right. That drop right there. Very good. You okay?
Yeah.
Great. All right. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Here we go. Okay. Now we're going to do a series of muscle tests.
Okay.
Let's actually start on your unaffected side. All right. So shift your head right here. Raise your shoulder up. Just, no, like this, a little bit. What I'm going to do is press your head and your shoulder away from each other.
Okay.
Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. Very good. Okay. Make a fist. I'm going to push your elbow down. Don't let me do that.
Okay.
Go. Very good. Your thumb and your pinky, I'm going to pull them apart. Don't let me. And again, not so good, huh?
No.
Come on, I thought you were strong. Okay, so the thumb and the pinky, the nerves that control those muscles, most of them come out of your neck right around here. So I'm going to adjust that. Good. And that felt how it felt.
Yeah.
That hurt a little bit?
It was good.
You saying what I want to hear? Thumb and pinky pulling apart. Don't let me. Stronger, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Now, elbow in at your rib cage. What I'm going to do is pull out like that. Don't let me do that. Go. And again, not so great, huh?
No.
All right, so we're going to do an adjustment for that. So put your right palm in your ear. Good. And you know what? Can you scooch down about 2 inches? Good. And get right under your shoulder blade. Good. Relax your elbow. Take a deep breath for me. Breathe in out.
Hope.
Very good. All right. Elbow in at your side. Good. I'm pulling out here.
Okay.
Don't let me. Ready? Go.
Wow.
A lot stronger, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. Right here, I'm going to push your arm that way. I'm going to stabilize your opposite hip. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. Good. I'm going to push that way. Don't let me. Go. Really good. Arm right here. I'm going to push down. Don't let me. Really good. Bend your elbow. Elbow forward like that. Or no, I'm going to pull it forward.
Okay.
Keep it back. Good. I'm going to pull forward. Don't let me. Ready? Very, very good. All right. I'm also just going to feel for muscular tension here a little bit. And it's not too bad, right? Straighten your hand, pulling towards me, don't let me. Ready, go. Really good, pushing towards you, don't let me. Really good. Okay. Hand over here, we'll do the muscle test where I'm pushing your head and your shoulder away from each other. Don't let me, go. Again. And that's a little bit weaker on that side, isn't it? 2, 3, 4. All right, let that drop. Good. Hold it right there. Pushing head against your shoulder, don't let me. And that's a little bit better, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Good. Make a fist. I'm going to push your elbow down, don't let me.
Okay.
And again. That's not quite as good, huh?
No.
Okay, so that's the coracobrachialis muscle. And that attaches right to your AC joint. Is that tender? Okay. So I'll do an adjustment right there. Bring it out here a little bit. Relax. Great. Fist. Pushing down. Rock solid, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Your thumb and your pinky. Pulling apart. Don't let me. And again. Not so good. Let that go. Oh yeah. Thumb, pinky, pulling apart, really good. Elbow in at your side, pulling out towards me, don't let me. Really strong. Make a fist, I'm gonna push down, don't let me. Really strong. No irritation there?
Nope.
A little bit?
Just a little.
There was a little.
Yeah.
Okay. Put your left palm in your ear. All right. Take a deep breath. Breathe in out. Good. Okay. Elbow in. Oh no, it's this one. Make a fist, pushing down to let me. Good.
Feels good.
Less irritation.
Yep.
Cool. Hold the arm right there. I'm going to push out that way. Don't let me. And that's not as strong, is it?
No.
Okay. So that was your pec major, okay, which is obviously an important stabilizing muscle for your shoulder.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is adjust your SC joint here a little bit. So that's where your sternum and your clavicle come together. We'll go right over here. Good. And that wasn't your favorite, was it?
No.
Hold it right there. Pushing out. Don't let me go. But that got it strong, didn't it?
Yeah.
Hold your arm right here. Pushing down. Don't let me. Really good. Bend your elbow. I'm going to bring your elbow forward. Don't let me do that. Ready, go. Again. One more time. It's pretty strong. Any irritation?
Nope.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're feeling some muscular tension deep in there. She really has a kind of a default of really having a lot of tension in there and squeezing. So having her let go was difficult. Straighten your hand. I'm going to pull towards me. Don't let me do that. Go. Ah, not so good, huh?
No.
All right, so that's a weak biceps test. We want to make sure the bicipital tendon is in its groove in the front of the shoulder. If it's not, which it's common for that to pop out, that will lead to some irritation.
That was
Pretty tender, wasn't it?
Yes.
Straighten your hand, pulling towards me. Way better, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And now let's go into kind of letting it go into flexion. And there's way less tension. It's way easier for you to do that.
Yeah.
Do you feel any irritation when we're back here?
Nope.
Good. Good. Is that tight?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, big old hug. Maintain your hug. Pretty stiff right there.
Yes.
Okay. Put your chin to your chest. Good. Breathe on out. Good. Put your chin to your chest real hard. No, that's fine. Okay, good. So now we go to lower body. So muscle test. I'm going to push down like that. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Again. Not so good. Other side. Pushing down. Don't let me. Okay. So why don't you turn on your side, face this way. All right. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Good. Okay. Pushing down. Don't let me. Strong, huh?
Yes.
All right, good. Now, we'll check a few other things. I'm going to push down and out. Don't let me. Really good. Down and out. Don't let me. Not so good. All right. Turn on your side. Face this. Keep your foot hooked right there. Deep breath. Breathe on out. Very good. All right. Pushing down and out. Don't let me. Really good.
Yeah.
Okay. Squeeze knees together. Put your left arm all the way up. Squeeze it in. Hold it for 2 seconds and release. Squeeze knees first. Arm in second. And keep this rib cage down. Good. That first exercise where we found out that your shoulder flexion, that you have a natural compensation of flaring your ribs during shoulder flexion. And we had to really work pretty hard to get you to the point where you're actually keeping your rib cage neutral while flexing the shoulder. What was that like for you?
A little frustrating because it takes a lot to concentrate on. I mean, that's something I never paid attention to before. So yeah.
Did it make sense?
Yes.
Is that something you could see yourself doing going forward to kind of retrain your upper body movement?
It's very simple.
Good. So that's your exercise, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, here's what and do an overhead press. And again. Do you feel your pain?
No.
The second exercise where we took your painful movement, which was kind of the push press, kind of military press-ish sort of thing, and we attached a band that pulled it to the one side, created the stability for you to be able to do it without pain. What was that like for you?
Yeah, it felt good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's encouraging.
All right, I got it. High five.
High five. Thank you.
Way to go. So Jen, that was your treatment. How did that go for you?
It felt great.
Yeah?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Were there any parts that were unexpected?
The mid to lower back. The pop. Yeah.
What? Because it was loud?
Yes.
Or because it hurt? Or because it felt really good? Or what was surprising about it?
The sound, the loudness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it scare you?
A little, yes.
Okay. So now what's possible? What's possible if we're actually able to stabilize your shoulders ongoingly to where you have the strength, lack of pain, and the comfort in your upper body during your workouts?
I don't have to worry so much about the discomfort when I work out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be
It's great.
perfect.
It's awesome.
So we can achieve whatever health or fitness or body composition goals that we have, and we don't have to have pain or arthritis or degeneration or injury getting in the way, right?
Yeah.
Jen, thank you so much for being our patient.
Yeah.
Jen is a massage therapist here at Alcoa Chiropractic Center. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below, hit the subscribe button, and tune in next Treatment Tuesday. Thank you.